Tracking commercial vehicle driver inactions on apps, on social media, on technology. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns, and along with my partner, Rashawn Jan, we represent victims of motor vehicle accidents here in Massachusetts. And I've been asked to talk a little bit about what we can discover, what we can find out in these accidents where people are seriously injured. And there's information out there. There's information typically on a black box or on an app that commercial driver comply with, a Lyft or an Uber app, that there's a tracking of their driving, of where they've been and what times they were at those spots, pickups, drop-offs. These can be very, very helpful and easy to get before filing a lawsuit. They're still hard to get after filing a lawsuit, but they're gettable. Discoverable law. So if you've been in an accident, if you're injured or someone in your family's been injured and the other vehicle may have had some type of tracking device, whether it's an Uber driver or a Lyft driver, or some type of commercial vehicle where they've been tracking the driving of that driver, video, or just tracking of the distances and the locations at specific times, this can be incredibly helpful. It can also be harmful, but if it's harmful, you want to know for the jury trial, and if it's helpful, you want to have it. You want to be able to use it. You want to be able to get over the hurdle of who was at fault. Were they speeding? Were they driving too close? I mean, these are things that are very easy to determine if we can get some of that information. Do we get it all the time? No. Do we get it some of the time? Absolutely. Is it easy? You can't just say, they have it, let's get it. You have to go through requests, documents, sometimes interrogatories showing that they do have it, or what type of device they may have, what type of app they may have, and who may have control over the information, over the data. So if you've been injured, get an attorney who's used to this, who's dealt with this, who has experience with this, who's willing, aggressive, get the information to get over that first hurdle of, was that person responsible? Who was responsible? They're going to fight you, even if it's a rear ender. They're going to say something to the effect that it was not that serious of an accident, or you were following too closely and that's why it happened. So get competent counsel, get the document, videos, get the information, and then you get to the second hurdle, which is you were injured. So let's talk about that. Let's get that information to the insurance company so we can work on resolving your case. Burns and Jan, we've been doing this. This is my 40th year working as a lawyer in Massachusetts. This summer it'll be 40 years since I took the bar exam. Started practicing October of 1985, 40 years ago. Give us a chance. Give us the opportunity to help you. We want to help you. We care about you.